Deep beneath the crumbled ruins of the great library of Alexandria, where sunlight rarely reached, lived Leo, a young lion cub. Leo was descended from the stone lions that once guarded the legendary library, and his heart was filled with courage. But Leo had one tiny problem. He often misplaced things. One warm evening, as Leo wandered among the ruins, he stumbled upon a secret door. His heart thundered with excitement. Carefully, he pushed the door open and stepped inside. It was a magical chamber untouched by fire or time. Soft golden light glowed from the walls, revealing shelves lined with countless scrolls. In the center of the room, a shimmering blue flame floated. Suddenly, from the flame appeared a ghostly ibis with wise eyes. "Welcome, young Leo," said the figure. "I am Thoth, the spirit of the head librarian. The great library's spirit is fading. You have found the last surviving room and the Phoenix Scroll." Leo's eyes sparkled.
"The Phoenix Scroll?"
he asked. Thoth nodded solemnly. "This magical scroll holds the blueprint for rebuilding the library. But its knowledge is lost. It must be rediscovered." Without hesitation, Leo said, "I will help. Tell me what to do." "You will journey through magical projections of the ancient city and solve puzzles." Leo's first challenge appeared. A vast chasm split the projection of the city. Floating stones hovered midair. Thoth handed Leo a scroll by Euclid. Use his teachings to cross the chasm. Leo carefully studied the shapes and angles in the scroll. He arranged the floating stones to create perfect triangles. Step by step, he crossed the chasm, his paws steady on the stones. As he reached the other side, the Phoenix Scroll shimmered, and beautiful geometric patterns appeared on its surface. Next, Leo found himself before an ancient sundial shadowing a large courtyard. To continue, Leo needed to chart a map using Eratosthenes' method to measure the world's size. Leo walked from one shadow mark to another, carefully measuring the distances with his keen eyes. With this knowledge, a glowing map unfolded in the air, showing the whole ancient world. Finally, Leo faced a massive door with a lock shaped like stars and planets. Leo pointed to the stars and matched their shimmering positions to Ptolemy's drawings. Slowly, the lock clicked open. The Phoenix Scroll now glowed with constellations and ancient wisdom, the final piece of the puzzle. Thoth's eyes gleamed with pride. "You have gathered the knowledge. The spirit lives on in hearts like yours." Leo looked at the glowing Phoenix Scroll and smiled. "I promise to help bring its spirit back to the world." And so, under the silent stars, a brave lion cub began the journey to rebuild the wonders of knowledge, one scroll at a time.